नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं यहाँ पर आप सबको एक लीगल पैसेज डिक्टेट करूँगा और ये डिक्टेशन इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट 2016 में जो एपीएस की वैकेंसी आई हुई थी उसमें बैच नंबर 11 में बोला गया था। तो जिन छात्रों को ये लगता है कि इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट में किस तरह का डिक्टेशन बोला जाता है वो सब तो हर हाल में इस डिक्टेशन को लिखें और बाकी सब भी जो एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो सब भी डिक्टेशन को लें। ओके, और चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। ओके, तो आप सब रेडी हो जाएं। 5 सेकेंड रिमेनिंग, स्टार्ट। रवींद्र कुमार शर्मा, Sri Radhe Shyam Sharma and Sri Rajendra Singh had deposed against the petitioner stopper. He has also considered the cross-examination done of the aforesaid witnesses, as also examination done of Sri Murari Lal Peskar and other witnesses who appeared when the petitioner had refused to examine them. Stop para. From the aforesaid recitation, it is clear that although the petitioner cooperated in the inquiry for examination of the witnesses referred to in the charge sheet, but when the other witnesses whose statement were taken in the preliminary inquiry were produced, the petitioner refused to examine them. Stop. Admittedly, the preliminary inquiry report and evidence recorded therein was a part of the evidence mentioned in the charge sheet, hence these witnesses cannot be said to have not been mentioned for relying against the petitioner. Stop. The inquiry officer proceeded to conduct an oral inquiry with respect to the statement of those witnesses who were produced during the inquiry proceedings and who were refused to be examined by the petitioner. Stop. Upon the aforesaid evidences, the inquiry officer has come to the conclusion that the charges against the petitioner had been proved. Stop para. It is these proceedings which the petitioner alleges to be in violation of the principles of natural justice and recording of evidence of the persons who were not referred to in the charge sheet and has been considered by the inquiry officer, and hence, the petitioner has been prejudiced. Stop para. Insofar as the aforesaid submission is concerned, it cannot be denied that the persons referred to in the charge sheet have been examined and cross-examined by the petitioner, and the preliminary inquiry report of the Tehsildar, which is referred to in the charge sheet as an evidence, has been considered in detail by the inquiry officer. Stop. Till a particular date mentioned in the inquiry report, the petitioner cooperated in cross-examining the witnesses, but when the other witnesses who deposed in the preliminary inquiry were called in, since the preliminary inquiry report was mentioned as an evidence in the charge sheet, the petitioner was required to face them and the witnesses to face the petitioner. Stop. Therefore, the fact that is available on record indicates that the witnesses and evidences cited in the charge sheet were duly examined and cross-examined, and their evidences have been considered by the inquiry officer. Stop. The name of witnesses not mentioned in the charge sheet are those witnesses who had given statement during the preliminary inquiry, and their names occurred in the report dated 29/4/2000, which was admittedly an evidence clearly mentioned in the charge sheet to be relied against the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner was faced with the said witnesses, as also the preliminary inquiry report dated 29/4/2000, which was mentioned in the charge sheet as an evidence. Stop. It was the petitioner's decision not to cross-examine the witnesses who had given statement in the preliminary inquiry, and it formed part of the report dated 29/4/2000, which was mentioned as an evidence. Stop. आप सब इस मैटर को जरूर करिएगा जिससे आपको एक प्रॉपर आइडिया हो जाए कि किस तरह से इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट में डिक्टेशन जो है बोला जाता है।